What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. We're just driving around right now. I'm gonna go on a walk. I like to take walks in the morning, but this is what Utah looks like, bro. I wish I filmed in Kansas so I could show you guys a difference, but it was so boring in Kansas. Like, there was nothing to film, nothing nice, so I didn't really film anything while I was over there. And plus, I lived on base, so you can't really take videos on base. It's kind of against the law, so I didn't really film anything, and outside of base was in the middle of nowhere, so there was nothing like at all to film, you guys. Like, I've been waiting to film, and that's kind of the reason why I moved back as well, so I could start making more videos like I planned when I was younger. Now that I got the car to do it with, why not, you know? Alright guys, you already know, can't go nowhere without a Monster. At this point, bro, Monster needs to sponsor me, bro. Like, I drink those every single day of my life. I can't go a day without them. I know it's bad, but bro, Monsters are so good, especially the white ones, bro. If you like the white ones, you already know what's up. Ooh, I just scraped hella bad. I'm so glad to be back in Utah, y'all. Like, you guys don't even know. I literally feel at peace here in Utah. It's crazy. I always never believed in people saying like, oh, the mountains are gonna call you back if you move out. And honestly, bro, I felt that, bro. Like, the mountains were calling my name. You guys don't even know. And when I went here the first time, I went on a canyon run with this car, bruh. The memories and everything started like flooding back, and I was like, man, I gotta move back to Utah. I gotta move back to Utah. Like, look how pretty this place is. Kansas is pretty too, not gonna lie, but man, Kansas has the outdoors, bro. Like, not Kansas, Utah. Utah has the outdoors. Like, nothing can beat Utah. But well, I'm already almost here at my walking spot. I'll probably take like some cinematic videos of the car. And then I don't know what we're gonna do later on. We'll see. This might be a short video, but I hope you guys like it. I'm trying to just upload more videos. I'm not trying to make like BS content, obviously, but I just have to start making more content and start getting back in the hang of filming videos, because it's been way too long since I've filmed anything. So, and then that last video I filmed like 4 months ago, probably, like, it was all messed up. Like, the frame of it was all messed up. You guys had to like zoom in, but I seen it, and then I was just like, oh, I'll just post it, which I shouldn't have, but I just wanted to document me painting the car, so I have that for memories. All right guys, we're in my spot right now. Last time I was here, I was so sad because I knew I was leaving again, and I wouldn't be able to do this in a very long time, because this is my favorite spot. It's usually all quiet and it's way nice out here, but now that I know I'm staying here for a good bit, I'm actually super happy, and very grateful, very, very grateful that I was able to come back with this car.
0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Real good.
Ain't nobody stopping me.
What is up, you guys? We are continuing this video. It's been like a day since I filmed the last video that you guys are gonna see right now. Today we are gonna be going on a canyon run. I'm super excited. I haven't done a canyon run in a while since I was back here, and we'll see how it goes. Usually, I mean, hopefully there's no traffic and we can cruise, but I'll pick you guys up here once we get into the canyon. Not gonna lie guys, it is hot as balls out here. It's 96 degrees and it's freaking 7 o'clock and it's still so hot. That's so crazy. Alright guys, we are in the canyon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, please like and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Y'all, I literally waited here for like 10 minutes waiting for all the cars to pass. Dude, cars keep coming, and there wasn't any traffic here earlier, bro, so I'm kind of annoyed now. But we're gonna let these cars pass again, and then we're gonna go circle back and then try and hit this canyon. There's too many traffic out here right now, but we'll see what we can do. All right, we are just gonna go. Man, that sun was brutal. Oh no, bro, did you guys not see that cop that was parked right there, dude? Yo, I'm so surprised he didn't pull back or pull out and get me, dude. That's crazy. This G handles so good in the turns, bro. You guys enjoy this little video I filmed for you guys today. Obviously there was way too much traffic. I couldn't really do anything. I pulled over so many times to let the traffic get ahead of me, but this truck right here is going way too slow, slowing up everybody. So I'll try and get a canyon run more in the mornings. But other than that, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.